These are the absolutely lovely elevators here at the Axinn Library, Hofstra University, Uniondale, New York. And we have it.
That scared me a little bit.
Was it making noise? This will be fun. Up or down?
Up.
Okay, we'll take that. Ah, God. No, don't press anything yet.
I didn't.
Where are you guys going?
Up. 7.
Yeah, we'll go down after.
Oh jeez, this is going to be fun.
Busy today. I guess it's probably because one's working. Also, it takes forever to level. I must sell.
Hofstra. I saw her on the way out.
She looks so goofy.
I know. I was like, did you get shorter? So small.
Did you see her teeth?
No, she was wearing a mask.
Let me off this thing. I feel like rocking.
Thank you.
I'm still going.
Oh,
You gotta. Things are great.
I think it needs some new rollers.
Whoa. Definitely a banjo armor.
What would this be?
That might have been old fire service. Is your newly renovated 10th floor. And what's funny is GR, and this is more down, but the rest of them are like the other way. Oh, wow, these are busy today. Do you actually want to switch on this one? We could switch here on 7 if you want. Okay. Where are you going? Brown?
Yep.
Perfect. Yeah, the other one's a lot worse. Oh my god. Unless it's this one. What is that?
I don't like that sound.
That might be the other one. I don't know if it is.
I hope it's the other one.
Here you go.
Get me off of this thing.
This thing is pretty high of a death trap rate for my standards.
I want out. I want out.
Alright, we'll send you up to 10.
Why up?
I don't know how we get this one though. I should know where it is. 9 floors, Coast Revelations. Oh my god. I want to see how this one is. Because it was broken last time, I think. It is coming down though. Oh boy. We're gonna take this one up to 8. This one's in much better condition.
I hope so.
Alright, let's see what happens. Feels like it's like skipping.
I think these need some maintenance.
Ready? It just beeped again. Now this is how you get to the service. Cut through this little creep area.
See the detectors.
I'll come back to those. Ah, God, this one's small. 4. You ready for this? Ready?
Okay.
Sun runs a lot better, but it gives off bigger drops.
No, I don't like any of these anymore.
Hear the relays there. Literally nothing up here.
Well, it's a penthouse, what do you expect?
Well, it's actually the 10th floor exit.
I was on the tippy toe, so it didn't hurt as much. Ow. Okay, I forgot to apply that logic to this.
Of course, that thing sensed traction. Of course, you got armor.
James or Steve is falling down the track.
And then the detectors, you said? Follow me to one. Oh, yeah, I saw. Yeah, those are. I saw one of those in the computer lab, and then. What the is this?
Oh yeah, that's... What the No. No, it's a white one.
I like saw that, and I initially thought it was a bell.
I want to see more now.
While he gets pictures of that, we'll call one up here. I'll send you off because I'm gonna. Good picture.
I want to see more.
What do you want to do, like 6 or 5?
Yeah, that's it. I want to see if they're all like that. That's white.
Yeah, I know.
Did you see that before?
I don't think I've ever had one. Why is it behind the grate?
Oh,
What was that, like a relay next to it, too? Okay, he definitely saw something. What the? Dude, I might have to explore the floors. I'm gonna do this off camera. I'll be back. Oh, that one's in much better condition. Alright.
It's got a chime. It's chimes.
Too close. There's Ethan in his natural environment. I'll go ahead and get another one up here. It might be a longer video than anticipated. Wait, hold on, I gotta check. Let me know when one arrives. Wait, there's another one. Black phone.
You didn't notice those before?
No, because I never got off on any of these floors. We're gonna go to 6.
It's a lantern. They got in there is for fluorescent light. They're lanterns.
I wonder if these used to have like a voice or something because of that big voice box. But that's probably just for the chime. They might have had like an implemented voice at some time.
6.
Yeah, 6. Beep. Yep. They have them on all the floors. They have another another flush. F3. I can't wait to show you that later. This is slowly turned into an elevator / fire alarm tour. I know, I saw that. Looks like we're getting this one. Do you want to just go down, or do you want to?
Yeah, I think. This one actually smells.
Yeah, that's the other one. Oh my god.
How about the series 1?
I don't think I'm gonna go for that. It's not that interesting.
Alright. Have you been on that?
Yes, but normally it's guarded by someone.
Oh,
It's like an executive elevator or something.
oh.
But it does serve some of the library.
Alright.
Oh, there's another one out there too. Over there. You see it? I don't know. Weird controllers.
Holy cow.
These things are great. There's probably more down here. Yeah, probably over there in that corner. Just out of curiosity, I'm curious if that's also original. Nope, it's just a bell. There's one there too. Oh, there. Oh, what happened?
There's some right there.
Oh my, what? What even is that? Oh, look, it's all dark out there.
According to a 40-50. 40-30.
Wait, did you get a picture of that one in there? Okay.
It's a horn. Wasn't that?
The bigger one, yeah.
Wasn't the one above the red box?
Yeah. Okay. All right.
You know half of this stuff exists.
I didn't actually explore the rest of this library. All right, well,
These.
that's gonna be a very yeah. I basically wrote these. I only recognized one F3. All right, that's gonna do for this elevator final tour. Are there any more like that on this floor? There's a bell over there. And then I know on this side has another F3, so yeah, we don't really have to cross. So anyways, yeah, there's another thing in there. That's it. Oh, remote monitor right there. All right, that's it.